Bob bolts, which is funny because they're all glue-ins. Think about that. All right, Bob's glue-ins. I'm gonna rename this route. This is technically not bolted. It's glue-ins. I'm so funny. This is definitely a 5.4 so far. I heard him over there. I was like, well, I thought it was somebody walking up the road. Be a jug. Oh, it is. Fairly good. Nah, not great, but it's not a sloper exactly. It is, but it's not. When you get like a draggy clip, it's like, it should be smoother than that. Whew. What is with this right hand clipping? Just realized like my left hand's always holding.
What do you prefer?
Variety, but it's just weird. I just noticed I'm always like holding something with my left hand when I'm clipping. It's fine. Kind of cool in the shade. I have my jacket on, but then I get out in the sun, it's like, it's warm. Look, again, the left hand holding, right hand clipping. So far. I mean, it is what it is. But this cobble is so cool. I like it. All right, again, I'm doing it different because I can.